Hi, my name is Juliet Pozo Rojas and I'm veterinarian from Ecuador. Now, I want to speak about my experience in a livestock internship in United States, Wisconsin. I participated in CAEP internship program in United States where I gained hands-on experience in beef and dairy cattle production systems. During this experience, I was actively involved in dairy farm operations such as feeding cattle, administering vaccines, applying treatments, collecting blood samples, and monitoring animal health and behavior. This opportunity allowed me to strengthen my practical skills, improve my ability to work in team, and adapt to different production systems and management practice. I also gained experience in handling animals efficiently while ensuring their welfare. Additionally, my background in Ecuador includes working with livestock on families' farms, which gave me a strong foundation in animal production from an early stage. Now I'm highly motivated to continue learning and specializing in animals productions and health. I'm especially interested in improving sustainable and efficient livestock systems. Thank you for your attention.